Hey everybody, what if you could ask AI any question about any web page, or even thousands of pages, with just a few clicks? Whether you're doing competitor research, creating content, or analyzing data, it's time-consuming and tedious. And running this at scale for thousands of URLs? Nearly impossible. I'm super excited to show you the AI32 Apify app. It takes any URL, converts it to markdown, and lets AI answer your questions about that content. You can automate or run in bulk for thousands of URLs. Let me show you how simple it is. You don't need any technical skills. Get an OpenAI API key and paste it in. Plus, select your AI model. Ask your question. Add your URLs. And click on Start. That's it. You'll get a CSV file for Excel or Google Sheets, or JSON if you want to get technical. The possibilities are unlimited. Every day you wait is another day of manual work you could have automated. Get started with the AI32 Apify app today.